everybody. Look, you guys are never this well behaved. Watch the family. They're not that nice. Zacharias, sweetheart. Where the heck are? Hey, baby. Everybody get one. There's no need for arguing. These are so big now, these babies. Ah, pensa que tudo manjam agora. Sim.
Zacarias.
Tudo manjam, não.
Zacarias é contente.
É.
Ardente ancora.
Zacarias está feliz. Oh, these beautiful puppies need adopting the family. They are beautiful. Got Nikki there. And we got Rosie. The white one still needs a sponsor, please. The cats all had a treat today. They all had wet food. That's why they're quiet. Ben, Yanni? No. Io prendo uno per Ben. I'll hold one for Ben. I'll give you later. A little baby Riley. Now listen, Jutta family, how quiet the shelter's gone. All of a sudden, the silence. Iris and Jen and Claire, Leitene.
Various cats.
Yay! Vou aqui, começamos. Ok. Hello, beautiful. The new senior girl loves her little bed with the soft covers. Rika and Zeus. Hello, my love. Yes, Rika. Oh, Zeus took it. Rika, baby. You don't want it. All right, I'll throw it. Now the shy ones I will have to throw. Only Annabelle Lee comes close. Annabelle! Oh, big boy Lauren gets a really big boy bone. If you could see the family, they go all quiet. But before they get, she's a huge racket. There's Cochipida, there's Daisy, this is Murphy, this is Lucy. Lucy? Ah, Lucy baby. Cochipida I gave one. Hello, my lovies. Aspaz, Ofana, Aspaz, and Pipa. There you go. See, all quiet. Lauren lying in the shade, enjoying. Hello, my love is on the floor. Go get it. You're not gonna get a new one. Yeah, go back to your bone, my love. You ain't getting a second one. Because we got lots of babies to give. Berta! Berta's excited. Bo at the back.
Aspetta un frante, per favore. C'è.